What on God's given earth is this e-cig chalk looking little giveaway? It looks like something you find in one of those promotional giveaway bag things. But anyway, it's not. It's cloudy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video from your boy Josiah, and basically today I'm sharing my journey with you with this cloudy thing and whether I think it's worth it or not, whether you should pick it up. Chances are, if you're a subscriber of my channel, you probably may have come from my most popular video, which is what I learned from being a stoner. I decided to put a poll out to you guys, and I was shocked at how many of you actually do use weed to fall asleep at any point in time. Here are the results here. It's a mad one still, okay? That's all I can say. I was scrolling on TikTok and I found this video of someone using this bad boy to be able to fall asleep. And I was like, rah, that's a bit mad. I wonder if you guys would be interested in seeing how it works or if it does work. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go and pick it up myself and test it out and see what it is like for you guys. And I was about to go and pay for it, and then I realized, wait, hold on, I was on TikTok and I saw someone using it. I'm pretty sure it was an ad, and I realized then that I could just get it for free. So I did that, and I messaged them and all, and they said, yeah man, you need 10k followers on TikTok. I was like, well, I've got more than 10k on TikTok. Soon come to YouTube, watch this space. Yeah, so then they sent me a package and they said, yeah, try it. You need to do some videos and promote it and stuff. However, I've tried to do it on TikTok, the videos. TikTok gave me 2 community guideline strikes, right? One being on another video I've done with a foam sword. I know YouTube won't do me like that. YouTube, don't do me like that. But this is it. It's a foam sword, look. It's a foam sword. It doesn't hurt. Anyway, and then I got a community guideline strike on this one, and it said that I was using drugs. The whole point of this is that it's not drugs, right? Otherwise, this video wouldn't exist. The whole point is to say, would you rather use this as opposed to weed? And yeah, that's what we're gonna get into and find out. Yeah, TikTok done me wrong. But yeah, pretty much this doesn't have drugs. I've done an unboxing of it, so you know what, I don't even need to repeat myself. Let's just get to all of that and I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Alright guys, so the cloudy package has come here. Now, I actually just ripped it there, but I haven't actually opened it. I was gonna put it on the phone to my girlfriend, but I was like, oh shit, I should be recording this. She was like, yeah, you should be recording it. So hey, I'm alone and with a camera and opening it by myself. But it says cloudy there, but it says raw mill tracked on top of it. So let's get into it and actually see what we get. Welcome to bedtime, but better. Okay, welcome to your nightly unwind, built with nature, backed by science. Alright, and we've got some instructions as well. It says, remove the diffuser from the box, remove the rubber mouth tip just before bed, take some inhales, and basically it's just telling me, welcome to the family. What have they given me though? They're giving me some nice little, are these socks? I got some socks dude. VIP, cloudy VIP socks. That's pretty cool. And I also have little, what you call these things again? Eye mask thing? Wait, hold on. This is what it is though. Yeah, I mean, if it helps me sleep. I'm more excited about the socks, bro, not gonna lie. Let me put it up here like Naruto goggles. Then we've got these 2 diffusers, bro. It's the 2 diffusers, I think. So, woohoo! Don't understand why that happened. All right, so here we go. Cloudy personal diffuser, melatonin and lavender and chamomile. I've heard that chamomile is very good to helping you sleep. L-theanine, don't know what that is. Grape extract, vegetable glycerine, propyl glycol. No nicotine and no diacetyl. Okay, cool. So they say take 7 inhales before you are ready to go to bed. Upon opening it, I can see it's just got this nice little package. Oh, what? There's 3. Oh, it says sleep is the best meditation from Dalai Lama, apparently. Okay. There's actually 3 in one, and then I'm guessing this other one has 3 as well. So that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna just take one now for the thumbnail. I just wanted to see what it tastes like. And yeah, I've got to do some content on this for TikTok because yeah, that's the reason why they sent it to me, so I could make some TikTok content. But I will think of that. I'll probably do that at night time though. So let's actually just go ahead and take one puff. I don't want to take 7 because I don't really want to fall asleep. I don't really want to fall asleep at all. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Hold this thought. I'm gonna come back later, guys, because I need to go and watch the Demon Slayer movie, and I've been looking forward to this whole time. So I'm not gonna try and fall asleep at the cinema, because I've got a habit of doing that. So I think that even one of these will put me into a moment where I'm like, bro, I need to sleep, because man gotta be reading subtitles for an hour and a half, bro. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna come back at night time, and I'll let you guys know. I don't know why this is still sticking to my... Okay, so it's night time. It's just gone past 12, right? And it's the first time I'm gonna try this now, okay? How tired am I feeling? Not that tired, to be honest. So we're gonna see how tired I get after this. But yeah, as you can see, I'm ready. I've got this on. I've got my little toy to snuggle to fall asleep with. Yeah, that's Stitch. I even put the socks on, but man, not gonna reach my leg up there. Yeah, the first time I'm gonna try this, this reminds me of when I used to have shisha pens back in secondary school, because it's got the LED. Let's just see what it's like in it. Like, okay, so they tell me to take 7 gentle inhales. Am I gonna do gentle inhales? We'll see. Innit? Let's get into it, man. I'm kind of excited. I'm not gonna lie. I say no more. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna put the blue light there so you man can see it light up. They said exhale through the nose, I believe. I don't think it's that deep whether I exhale it through the nose or anything. That's one of 7. I didn't really take a proper talk, so whatever. The taste, is nice, man. It's it does remind me a lot of shisha pens, not gonna lie. It reminds me a lot like shisha pens. Having a little bit too much fun with this, not gonna lie. You know what is mad? Because I was speaking to my boys about melatonin. I told them this was coming. They were gonna be like, oh man, melatonin, not really on it. Because one of my boys used to take the gummies, he said he went and took one, went to the shower, bang, knocked out in the shower, fam. Let's just see how this keeps going. I mean, I'm not really, I don't want to act like it's a placebo effect or anything, because, you know, I did start this video quite gently anyway, right, didn't I? But I do feel peaceful. I wouldn't say I feel tired. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to kick in like that. I think it's like 30 minutes it takes to kick in. I can't update you guys yet until tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let y'all know how it went. I just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up, I was in bed for a minute. I haven't gone to the bathroom or anything. As you can see, I'm in the same attire as when I went to sleep. And yeah, let me give my little lowdown, my few thoughts on Cloudy, this little bugger right here. So, first of all, when I did take it, I did start feeling sleepy. Alright, I did start feeling sleepy. I put on my little this. Then after a while I took it off, car. I was like, right, you know what, I don't like these things covering my eyes, not gonna lie. I started feeling sleepy. I was like, yo, alright, this might be kicking in. However, yeah, not gonna lie, the thoughts in my head, because I feel like apparently melatonin is supposed to stop signals being sent to your brain. I don't think that it could compete with my signals, bro. My signals are strong. Because I was just in my head thinking, right, is this gonna send me to sleep or not? Like it was, I think I was in my head just thinking, is this gonna work? I eventually did fall asleep and I woke up pretty early. It's 9:30 now, but I think I woke up at around 8:30, something like that. It did its job, I guess, in terms of making me sleepy. I wasn't on my phone scrolling or anything, but I was in bed kind of just thinking a lot of thoughts. But maybe that was just to get me to sleep. I don't know. All in all though, pretty decent experience. Oh, when I did remember, guys, I did take a few extra puffs than normal. So I do think that when I woke up, I got like a light amount of like, I didn't feel that fresh when I woke up. I felt like even now I feel like I've got a little minor headache, not a massive one, like it's painful, but you know when you can kind of just feel like, let's say a few grams have been added to my head, that type of thing. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, decent enough, man, decent enough. Shall I actually do these blinds? There you go, a little bit. Oh, maybe that light's a bit too much light for me. Yeah, but decent. I might do an update at some point. I've got 6 of them. I've got 6 of these. So yeah, I think it is 6 months. I think each one lasts a month. Here's the thing, am I gonna continue using it? I don't know. If you guys do see the update, then you see the update, innit? Yeah, I'll keep you guys in the loop. Because for me, my thing is I don't wanna become reliant on something. But I'm guessing this is drug-free apparently and all of that, so there shouldn't be any withdrawal symptoms if I do stop using it. But I don't want it to be like, oh, well, I need Cloudy to get to sleep like every day of my life, do you know what I mean? Because it is what it is. But hey, point of this video, if you do use weed to get to sleep, then this could be a good alternative for you. I mean, it did make me feel the same way like after I used to smoke a joint and I would be tired at the end of it. It's a similar feeling to that, but of course you're not smoking weed, so same effect of that really, I guess. So in terms of that, I think yeah, that it does its mission, to be honest. But like I said, you guys, I'll keep you updated. Right, so let's be honest now. I have used Cloudy for a while. I'm not sure it's the answer to your problems. That's all I'm gonna say. It's not the answer to your problems, but everyone's very different. Okay, here's the thing for me. I tried it and it did make me feel a bit sleepy, I think, but I'm not too sure whether there's a placebo effect going on. Now, I think I did mention before in a previous clip, but the first time that I did try this, I had in my head that yeah, I'm supposed to be going to sleep now, and I think that kind of had an opposite effect. Obviously with weed, I don't think that happens. No one really smokes weed and is like, yeah, this should get me to sleep now. I should be sleeping now. You just do it and have fun and then fall asleep, right? One of the main things I would say with this is kind of like a normal cigarette and vaping. In terms of sitting in bed, if you're used to the smoking action with weed, then this could be a good transition in terms of that, because I know it does recommend that you only have 7. That's the recommended. If you're missing the smoking action, then maybe you could use this as a means to do that. Take your 7 tokes or whatever and then fall asleep if that is what you're needing from this. So yeah, overall, would I recommend you buying it? I can't say yeah, go out and buy this. I can only say yeah. I felt a little bit sleepy, okay? I felt a little bit like, yeah, it's time to go to bed. But I didn't feel like, yeah, knocked out from this at all. That being said, everybody's different, right? For some people, weed doesn't put them to sleep, you know? So it really does depend on you. If you do want to go ahead and try it, go ahead and do it. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you that. Oops. Shall I take another puff right now? Just for, actually no, because I need to edit this video, so I'll save that for later on tonight. But yeah, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, you get me? And leave a comment below whether you're actually gonna try out this Cloudy thing or not, or if you're gonna just stick to weed, or if you're just gonna be like, hey bro, I don't need any substances, I'm zen mode, okay? I get to sleep in 2 seconds flat if I really want to, get me? And yeah, subscribe for more videos. So if you have stayed here all the way to the end as well, you may have noticed that, I mean, it's only been a week since my last upload, I think. Hopefully I can get this edited and out today. But yeah, I am back in employment. So probably not going to be 2 videos a week anymore, I'm sorry. Okay. However, I am going to remain consistent in delivering that content on a weekly basis, okay? I swear down, bro. I swear down. I'm not making promises though. It's a promise to myself. You just reap the rewards from these expectations I've bestowed upon myself, okay? It's mad hot in the UK, I lie. But I'm not complaining. If you see me sweating, that's why. Yeah, take it easy, guys.